my friends, my name is Steve Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and today we are on a 2018 327 Center Console by Intrepid Powerboats. I'm going to walk you through it.
This 327 Center Console by Intrepid Powerboats is its most popular model in its current lineup. Loved by many, this center console is quick, fun, and versatile. She is powered with Twin Yamaha 300 horsepower outboard engines. With an amazing reputation, these motors have gained the respect of the entire marine industry. She cruises at around 40 miles per hour and top speeds in the upper 50s. Starting from the transom, your guests will enjoy a portside transom door for easy entry. Centerlined, there's a convenient access flush system for the engines. To starboard, there's a baitwell with a light and blue inner liner. Across the back is a fiberglass folding rear bench seat with a removable table to entertain your guests. The dive door folds out and has a wide entrance for getting in with a dive tank or pulling in large fish. The electric forward and aft helm seat is Intrepid's popular Ocean Elite style with 5 rod/cup holders behind the seat. Under the helm seat, this owner has installed sliders for a removable cooler. There are plenty of rod holders that act as cup holders on the gunnel. Want more? This owner has installed 6 custom powder-coated rod holders on the hardtop. Underneath the hardtop, there are recessed lights with 1 forward spreader LED and 2 aft corner spreader lights. Under the gunnel, you will find an aft port downrigger plug for fishing, rod racks, battery charger plug, raw water and freshwater washdown. For electronics, this owner has installed Fusion stereo, dual Garmin 7612s, autopilot, ACR LED spotlight, open array radar, ICOM VHF handheld. He went above and beyond with these JL audio speakers, amp, low voltage cutoff, and USB charger ports. The forward console has a cooler under the seat. With a touch of a button, the forward console slides open to give you entry to the spacious head, plastic flooring, sink, and handheld shower. Against the wall is dedicated storage for a large forward table. The table also acts as a filler to convert this entire forward seating area into a sunbed. When the table is not installed, this forward area is perfect for entertaining and sunbathing. There are electric backrests that stop at any level for your convenience. There is plenty of storage in the forward area. There's easy access to the windlass rope and chain from the forward locker, and also a comfortable hatch to access the windlass. There's even a freshwater washdown installed. Everything about this boat will give you so much enjoyment. Fishing, diving, exploring, and plain old fun. You can jump on the Intrepid and decide to go to a restaurant or take a trip to an island. My name is Stephen Munive with Stephen Munive Yacht Sales, and I want to thank you for letting me walk you through this beautiful boat. You can always connect with me through phone, email, or any of my social media channels. I'll see you on the water. You've earned it.